Little storyteller.
Sir Reginald was a brave knight with shiny blue armor and a very fluffy white bunny named Cottontail, who always sat on his shoulder. One sunny morning, they were walking near a sparkling blue river when they heard a little sniffle. Around a big green bush peeked a small purple dragon. His name was Sparky, and he looked worried. Big sparkly hiccups kept popping out of his nose. Hic-picked, each sparkly hiccup made something silly happen. One hiccup landed on a red flower, and poof, it turned into a pile of glittering sparkles. Hic, another hiccup floated over to Cottontail. Hic, another suddenly, a tiny soft pillow appeared right under Cottontail's fluffy bottom. The bunny wiggled happily. Sir Reginald chuckled. Then hic, a very funny hat with bright yellow bananas sticking out of the top landed right on Sir Reginald's head. Sparky looked even more worried. "Oh dear," he squeaked. "My hiccups make silly things happen, and I can't stop them." Sir Reginald, still wearing his banana hat, knelt down. "Don't worry, little dragon," he said gently. "Sometimes, when my bunny gets hiccups, a little pat on the back helps." He gave Sparky a gentle pat on his purple back. Hic, very more sparkles appeared. Then Sir Reginald patted him again and again. After a few more gentle pats, Sparky took a deep breath. "No hiccup," he wiggled his nose. "No hiccup," he smiled a big toothy dragon smile. "They're gone," he cheered. Sir Reginald smiled too, his banana hat bobbing. Cottontail gave a happy thump with his foot on the soft pillow. It felt good to help a friend, even a sparkly hiccuping dragon. Sometimes, a little kindness is all it takes to solve a problem.
Please subscribe. Thank you.